So hello student, today we are going to do composite mathematics exercise 5b. Till now we have completed 5b up to question number 5, and now we are going to do question number 6. Okay, so one thing I have to say, if you have not subscribed my channel, please subscribe it and press the bell icon so that you will get the notification of the coming video. Okay, then let's start. So see, question number 1 given 419 to the power 0. Now one formula I have that anything to the power is anything to the power 0 is 1. So you always remember this formula, that a power 0 is equal to 1. So you remember this formula, then it will be easy for you. So a power 0 is equal to 1. So so see here, if a power 0, then a can be any number. Then 1 power 0 is 1, 2 power 0 is 2 power 0 is also 1, 3 power 0 is 1. Similarly, if we continue go like this, then 100 power 0 is 1. Okay, then what is 200 power 0? It is also 1. Then what is 419 power 0? It is also 1. So its answer will be 1. Similarly, 17 power 0 is 1, 1000 power 0 is 1. Okay, so I have written this integers. Now if I write fraction, then also if I write 1 by 2 whole power 0, then also it is 1. Simple. So minus 5 by 7 power 0 is also 1. Easy one. Okay, now see this one. 7 power 0 is 1 plus 8 power 0 is also 1 plus 9 power 0 is also 1. Okay, so 1 plus 1 plus 1 is 3. Understood? Okay, this one you see, 29 power 0 is 1 minus 23 power 0 is 1 into 16 power 0 is 1. So 1 minus 1 is 0. So 0 into 1 is equal to 0. Okay, see this one. So minus 2, so you multiply and then subtract. 3 5 is 15 minus 4 minus 11. You remember one thing, when sign are same, then the numbers are added. So you see here minus sign, here minus sign, then it will be added. So it will be minus 2 whole power 15. This one will be plus and 15. So it is minus 2 whole power 0, which is equal to anything to the power 0 is 1, we know only. So it is 1. Okay, so we have completed question number 6. Now we are going to do question number 7. So what is question number 7 given? You see, find the value of x. So we have to find out the value of x. So let me rub this one. Okay, just you remember this one. This one is valid for this question only. In this question I think we will not use, or if required then we will use. Let's see this one. What is given? That 2 power x plus 2 is 256. Then we have to find out x. Oh, how we to find out? Okay, you see, 2 power x plus 2. Now I am thinking, can we express this in 2 power? Maybe. So let's see. Let's factorize this one. So 256. So it is 2. If I divide, because since it is even number, no, it will be divisible by 2. So 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 8s are 16. Okay, it is divisible by 2. Again you see, 2 6s are 12, 2 4s are, okay, it is also divisible. 2 32s are, 2 16s are, 2 32s are, sorry, not 32, 2 8s are, and 2 4s are, 2 2s are. Wow, how many times 2? So you can write 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 times 2. We can write like this also, 2 power 8. Yes, you can write like this. Now you remember one thing, when bases are same, then power will be equal. So I will write here, when bases are same, power will be equal. Okay, so this power will be equal. So x plus 2 will be equal to 8. So it is now simple calculation. So you take 2 this side, that means you transpose 2, it will be 8 minus 2, so x is equal to 6. So our answer came. So next we will do, so you should learn one thing, factorizing you should learn, then only you can solve this all. Okay, so here how many power having? 3. Here how many power was there? Okay, we don't see here power, no, x is there. Now can we express this in power of 3? Let's see. 729, if it is divisible by 3, so how we will know? We have to open this 3 and add this 3. So 9 plus 2 is 11, 11 plus 7 is 18. Now 18 is in the table of 3, so it is divisible by 3. See this one, so we will divide it with 3. So 3 2 is 6, now 1 remaining 12, 3 4 is 12 and 3 3 is 9. Okay, again divisible by 3, 3 is 24, 3 1 is, okay, again divisible by 3, 3 27 is 3 9 is 3 3 is. Now x power 3, then this one you can write 3 power 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, now bases also not equal, power is also not equal, and how we will solve it? So one thing we can do, okay, 3 power 2 whole power 3, like this we can write. You see 2 3 is 6. Okay, so we need only power outside, so we have done like this. So it is x power 3 is equal to 9 cube. Now powers are same, power are same, then bases will be equal. So from here we get x equal to 9. So I think you have understood. So let's go for question number 3. So what given you see? So here all bases are same. Now one formula we have got that when a power m into a power n is equal to a power m plus n. So in the last video I have given some of the formula, you go and see, then you will understand that when bases are same and multiplied, then powers are added. So bases are same and multiplied, then power will be added, okay. So only this will happen on this part only, because here multiplication is there, this side multiplication not having, so it will, this formula will not work here. Okay, so you see it is minus 6 whole power 5 plus 3 minus m. So what I can write? So minus 6 whole power 5 plus 3 is 8, 8 minus m is equal to minus 6 whole power 3. Now see, here we have discussed, then when bases are same, then power will be equal. So here bases are same, then power will be equal. So we can write 8 minus m is equal to 3. From here we need the value of m, so we will transpose m to this side and we will bring 3 to this side. Okay, so it is 8 minus 3 is equal to m, so m is equal to 5. So we have completed question number. Okay, see question number our 4 and 5 we are going to do. So what is given, you see, so it is 49, you can write 7 square into minus 7 whole power m, and this one can you express this in power of 7? Yes, let's see. So it is 343, so divide it 7. So 7 4 is 28, 6 remaining 63, 7 9 is then 7 7 is, yes, you can write it as minus 7 whole power 3. So we have written. Now you see here bases are not same. So see student, this one you can write minus 7 whole square, because why you can write like this? Because we have to make the bases same. So here if I put plus, then base will be different, because this will be negative and this will be positive. So I have written minus 7 whole square. Now you see, when any number have minus and the power is even, then the result will be positive. Okay, so if minus 7 having whole square, minus 7 having whole square, then our result will be 7 square. Okay, now why it is so? Because the even number makes the negative sign positive. Okay, so this is the rule. So it is minus 7 whole square into, you see, minus 7 whole power m. So you can express this number as like this also. Okay, so it is minus 7 whole power 3. Now you see bases are same, then power will be added. So it is minus 7 whole power 2 plus m is equal to minus 7 whole power 3. Now you see base are same, then power will be equal. So it is 2 plus m is equal to 3. So m is equal to 3 minus 2. So m will be equal to 1. This is our result. Now this one you see, here minus sign, here minus sign. So bases are same, and when divided then powers are subtracted. You remember this formula, a power m divided by a power n is equal to a power m minus n. So this is formula you should remember. So we will apply here. You just take it this one as a, so it will be minus 8 whole power 9. This power will be subtracted, so it is 15 minus x is equal to, now can we write like this, see here minus 8 having, so can we write here like this, minus 8 by 9 whole square? Yes, you can write, because when negative number is squared, then it becomes positive, and it has become positive. Okay, so you can write like this. So now what happens if I write like this, then base will become equal. Then when base become equal, then this side, this power will be equal. So power will be equal. So you can write, you transpose x is this side and 2 this side, because we have to find out the value of x. So it is 15 minus 2 is equal to x. This x went this side and it will become positive, because this side minus, and if we go this side then it will become plus. So 15 minus 2 is 13, which is the value of x. Okay, so we have completed question number we have completed 5. Okay. So hello students, now question number 8 is given. So here we are asked to rename the number in expanded form. Okay, so we have to rename this number in expanded form. Okay, using exponents. So how we will do so? So it is given 78093. So can we write like this? So it is 7 into 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 zeros plus 8 into 1 2 3 zeros plus 0 into 1 2 zeros plus 9 into 1 0 plus 3 into 1, or you can write 3 into 10 power 0, since 1 means 10 power 0, or simply we write first 10, then we will change it to 10 power 0. So this one can be written as 7 into 10 power 4 plus 8 into 10 power 3 plus 0 into 100 is 0, so we will write 0 plus 9 into 10 power 1 plus 3 into 10 power 0 you can write, because 10 power 0 is 1, you know very well. So you see this one will be 7 into 10 power 10 power 4 plus 8 into 10 power 3, we will remove this 0 from here, then it is 9 into 10 power 1 plus 3 into 10 power 0. So this is our expanded form using exponents. Okay, next you see this one. So it is, we can write this one 8 into 10 power, you see how many number are there, 1 2 3 4, so it is 10 power 4 plus 5 into 10 power 3 plus 0 into 10 power 2 plus 0 into 10 power 1 plus 0 into 10 power 0. Okay, so this one you can write 8 into 10 power 4 plus 5 into 10 power 3, and other all will become 0. Okay, so 0 plus 0 plus 0. So you can write 8 into 10 power 4 plus 5 into 10 power 3. Only this one will write here, and this all become 0, so we will remove. So this one you see 1 into, you see 1 2 3 4 5 having, so 10 power 5 plus 5 into 10 power 4 plus 4 into 10 power 3 plus 0 into 10 power 2 plus 3 into 10 power 1 plus 4 into 10 power 0. So you can write like this. So this will be 1 into 10 power 5 plus 5 into 10 power 4 plus 4 into 10 power 3. Now we will remove this 0. then we will write 3 into 10 power 1 plus 4 into 10 power 0. So this is our expanded form. Okay, so we have completed question number 8, and last question left, that is I have left for you so that you will practice. Okay, since you have understand, so it will be easier to practice. Now we will go for question number 9. So hello students, question number 9 we are going to do. So it is question number 9. So it is given to simplify. Now how we will do? Let's see. So first of all, we will express all this number in power of 3 and 5. Okay, so this is already in power of 3. So it is 3 power 6 into 5 square. Now can we express this in 3 power? Yes, we can write 3 power 2 whole power 2 into 5. Now you see, it is 3 power 6 and it is 3 power 4 into 5 square into 5. Okay, so can we write like this? 3 power 6 by 3 power 4 into 5 power 2 by 5 power 1. Yes, we can write like this. Now you see, when power are same and divided, then when base are same and divided, then power are subtracted. So it will be 3 power 6 minus 4 into 5 power 2 minus 1. So it will be 3 power 2 into 5 power 1. Okay, so this will be our answer, I think. Let's see. So our answer will be 3 square means 9, 9 into 5, which is equal to 45. So this is our answer. Now we are going to do this one. Now you see, 3 power 5, 3 by 5 whole power 3, 1 by 7 whole power 3, 1 by 7 is here, but here 3 by 5 whole power is not given. Oh sorry, 3 power 5 only given. I have written 2, so it is 5 only. Now see, we can write like this: 3 by 5 whole power 3 by 3 by 5 whole power 2. Okay, so again we can write 1 by 7 whole power 3 by 1 by 7 whole power 4. So this will be, you know, that when bases are same and divided and power are subtracted, so it will be 3 by 5 whole power 3 minus 2 into 1 by 7 whole power 3 minus 4. So it is 3 by 5 whole power 1 into 1 by 7 whole power minus 1. So how much we will get? You see, when power is negative, then you can flip. Okay, so you can flip the number. So it will be, this one will remain same because power is positive. So it is 3 by 5 into 7. So it is 3 7 is 21, 21 by 5. This is our answer. And next, this one we are going to do. So you see, first of all we will express all this number in power of 2 and 3. So how we can write? See, 12 we can write 2 into 2 into 3. Okay, whole power 4 into 3 square whole power 3 into 2 square, and this one will be 2 into 3 whole power 3 into, this one you can write 2 power 3 whole square into 3 cube. 27 you can write 3 cube because 3 into 3 into 3 is 27. So this one you see, it will be 2 power 4 into 2 power 4 into 3 power 4 into 3 power 6 into 2 square. So it will be 2 cube into 3 cube into 2 power 6 into 3 power 3. Okay, now we will arrange 3 and 2 in one side. So it will be 2 power, see, 2 power 4 and 4. So it will be again here 2. So 2 power 4 into 2 power 4 into 2 power 2 into 3 power 4 into 3 power 6 by 2 power cube 2 cube into 2 power 6 into 3 power 3 into 3 power 3. So we have arranged 2 and 3 in one side. Now you can write 2 power 4 4 2. So it is 8 9 10. So it is 2 power 10. Since bases are same, then power will be added. So power will be added. So power is added. Now bases are same, then power will be added. So it is 2 power 9 into, you can write 3 power 4 plus 6 is 10 and 3 plus 6 is 6. So it will be 2 power 10 minus 9 into 3 power 10 minus 6. So it is 2 power 1 into 3 power 4. So 2 power 1 is 2 and 3 power 4 is 81. So 2 into 81, 2 and 2, 2 is 16. So it is 162. So we have completed question number 3. Okay. So hello student, now we are going to do question number 9. 9, 5 and 6. Till now we have completed 9, question number 3 and 4 I have left so that you will practice. Now let's go. So what is given, you see. So it is, first we will, you know one thing, that power can be multiplied. One, we have formula that a power m whole power n is equal to a power m into n. So powers are multiplied. So this power will be multiplied. So it is minus 1 by 3 whole power, 2 into 2 is minus 4. So it is minus 1. Now you see, here minus 4 having, here minus 1, this power will be multiplied. So minus 4 into minus 1 is 4. So it is minus 1 by 3 whole power 4. Now you can divide, means you can separate the power. So it will be minus 1 whole power 4 by 3 power 4. So minus 1 whole power 4 is 1. Since power is even, then the minus sign will be removed. So 3 power 4 is 81. So it is 1 by 81. Next you see number 6 given, 2 power 1 divided by 5 power minus 1. So you can write here 2 power minus 1 by 5 power minus 1 into minus 5 whole power minus 5 by, minus 5 by 8 whole power minus 1. So you can distribute this power. How? So it is minus 1 by 8 to the power minus 1. So it will be, now you see power is minus, then number will be flipped, means the numerator will become denominator, denominator will become numerator and the power becomes positive. So it is 5 by 2, okay, into here power also negative having, so it will be 8 by, see power is negative having, so it will be minus 5. Now you can cancel out, so 5 and 5 is cancel out and 2 4 are 8. So it is 4 by minus 1 which is equal to minus 4. So this is our answer. So friends, we have completed exercise 5b and MCQ and HOTS are left. So we'll do in the next class, okay. So till then, thanks for watching my video and bye.